And listen to what the door's doing. Hear that? I can't get into my own house. This kind of thing ever happened to you? I'm supposed to be someplace in like just a few minutes, and my silly old door won't let me back in because my car won't start. Have you been in that place? Well, God has a bigger plan. He really does. We have to trust that He's bigger. So I'm going to work my spiritual muscles, and in the name of Jesus, desire with all my heart the exact plan He has in place. Just claim it. That's what I need to do. I need to claim peace despite my front door talking to me. Practice those spiritual muscles, exercise them, because what you exercise, get stronger. God bless.